It's Thursday, January 2nd, 2025. It's 8:39 a.m. Eastern. It's also the first trading day of the new year. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Watching this top gainer, NITO. Making some moves here. Up 280%. High of day is $1.19. Does have positive news, some sort of solar agreement. I would like to at least see it break through $1 and hold above $1 before I would consider taking a stab at this. I'll keep my eye on things and I'll return. I have an order in on NITO and I am in the trade. My price is $1.09 with 200 shares. See if I can just get a little scalp here. Profit and loss is down here. And I'm out just that fast. Let's see how we did. All right, very quick scalp, $8.04. That was 2.7% gain on that trade. I was only in this thing 21 seconds. Was in at $1.09, out at $1.13 with 200 shares. So, little scalp, the first trading day of the new year. I'll take that. Thanks a lot for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.